So I haven't done any updates lately, and I feel bad for that. I've been thinking about this every day, and today I'm changing that. I am meeting a friend of mine that he is a car tester, and he's gonna let me test a car, just kind of to do a quick little video. Also, I know I haven't talked too much about it, but I bought myself a drone, and I want to get some experience flying it, so I think I'm gonna make a quick little video about the car with the drone. So yep, let's go. So I just spent the past 20 minutes looking for this little piece of the drone. There's a big flaw in the drone. I don't like it. It went down the car on the side of the seat, and there's a hole there. Hold on. There's a hole in there that the little piece went through, and not fun. But now let's try to make a video. Okay, it's been a tough day. I'm by the Mikosuki Indian Reserve, and my friend David, which is picking up the car right now. He's about to drive the car on this road, so I can follow him with the drone and hopefully get some cool footage. I'm teaching my friend David here how to fly the drone, and hopefully he doesn't crash it. I'm nervous. I am very nervous. The car's supposed to open with that thing, and it's not working. Oh, wait, it has a button on the bottom. There you go. Oh my God. Okay, the defect was in the car. Oh, okay. So I came to see my friend David in order to make a video of a car that they give him. He's a car tester, and they give him a different car every week to test and to kind of make reviews and stuff like that. So I wanted to maybe make some footage on the car they give him, but the car they give him, it's so plain. It's a Ford EcoSport titanium edition, and it just couldn't be any plainer than that. So I wanted to do kind of like a review type of thing, but I'll just get some footage of it. I love how crazy good light there's always in a gas station. The day didn't go as planned. I wanted to do something a little bit more interesting, so today I guess it's gonna be just like a drone shot practice day. I pretty much spend my time shooting for the drone. I think I need to plan better if making these videos. Today I wanted to share a little bit about wellness, and especially about quick weight loss, but I think I'm gonna dedicate a day for that because there's a lot I want to say, and I want to make sure it's all thought out. But long story short, quick weight loss is just unhealthy and not sustainable. You want to create good and long healthy habits. So I'll tell you more about how to create those. If you have any questions, you can message me or contact me through my website. I'll link it below. And again, thank you for watching.